Uh-oh. Up.
The ball? Who's got the... You want the ball, Mama? Here you go. You're welcome. Off you go. I gotta get you. Hey!
Francesco. Francesco, come here. Come here, it's the ball. That's a ball. Wow. Uh-oh. Should be.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna find you.
You're fast.
I see you.
You're fast. Where is he? Where is he? Francesco. Oops. That's me. Oh. Oopsie. Hey, Shumi. Shumi. Shumi.
They greeted each other when he came home.
They what?
They greeted each other when they got home.
Uh-oh.
He was out all day, right? All afternoon. So when the baby got home, get you. Where are you going? Bye. I can get you.
Francesco, where are you going? He's walking away.
He's just running around in circles.
Hey! Uh-oh. Bye-bye.